Oh, hello there. Welcome to the PixelMahon channel. I'm the creator behind all the garage kits and custom sculpts of vivacious femmes and lovely ladies you'll find here. I'm based in Japan, and while not every design pulls from Japanese pop culture, you'll find I love infusing that inspiration when it feels right. While this channel will focus primarily on digital sculpting, 3D printing, and painting, I plan on occasionally expanding outside my comfort zone and working with clay and dioramas, just to keep things interesting and shake things up. I'm joined by PixelWife, who helps with all the Japanese translations and makes sure I don't mess up any cultural details along the way.
Hello!
And then there's PixelBaby, who sometimes insists on helping?
Help!
I'm stoked to have you along for the journey through art, nerdiness, and everything in between. Got requests or questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you like what you see, leave a like, drop a comment, or just say hi. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's make some nerd magic happen. PixelMahon out.